This is like the greatest thing of filming me doing something like this.
We just like rushed to get into his house to get a fucking package. This is new trucks, I think. I take that shit off your face. Wait.
Oh, I got a Spitfire shirt instead. I forgot this fashion t-shirt.
Woo! Woo! Yes, son. Butter. Oh, they look buttery. Yes, fam.
They're the same height as yours, I think.
Yeah, I think they're all the same height. Woo!
Shit, I don't like it, man. Shit. I wanted Indies. Why did you know I was gay today?
Follow his Instagram.
I can't really be asked with Instagram.
Nah, but then you'll probably upload it at some point.
Nice. Alright.
Where's it gone?
Why does it say 1.5? I'm bleeding.
Yo, what the fuck?
I got blood on my trucks.
Sorry.
Why do I bleed randomly? What's wrong? I thought that'd be a bigger dent. I mean, like a bigger mark, but I'm glad it hasn't really. Oh shit, they're light. Oh shit, they're fucking light. Okay. Oh, whoa.
Oh, that looks so pang. That actually looks sexy. That actually looks buttery. Oh my god. See, now your skateboard and your tricks will look the way they're supposed to look.
My kickflips.
Yeah. And you will ride and you will feel like a god because these trucks are amazing. Except your thin wheels will look gay on them.
No, my thin wheels will suit it.
Nah.
I don't want fat wheels. He's nice. I think that's better.
Yeah.
What do you want? Can I do my bearings?
No.
Right.
Do you want to?
Not really, actually.
Yeah, so then why are you asking? You're so dumb, man.
He's nice. He's nice. He's nice. He's nice. Can you turn the camera off?